Hello friends, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see how to export our data structure data or API data coming from the API or any custom data what you are creating in the UI like arrays etc. Exporting all this data into Excel. So let's see how to integrate this Excel functionality with our React. So nowadays you can see most of the reporting applications are using this Excel functionality, so it will be very useful for us. So let's start our episode. Now first we this is my blogger post and I am giving this URL in my YouTube channel, so you can use this while creating the application. So first we have to install this. So I have created one application called React 1, and in that application we will be having the src where we will be having the components and app.js. For my convenience I am doing all the functionality in app.js, so you can create your own file based on your requirement. I am navigating to React 1 and I am installing this here. So if you see here, our package got successfully installed, and if you can verify by using package.json, you can view here file saver 2.0.2. Now we have to create a file called as excel csv file. So I am copying this and I am creating somewhere in the src excel csv dot js. Now for my convenience I am going to copy paste this code. It can be easily understood by viewing this. So we will be having some button here. Once we click that button, our data which is coming from the app.js will be going to this export to CV CSV file, where it will be getting saved like this with the file extension what we will be giving here. You can give whatever extension you can give, is based on your requirement. So once this is done, you have to save this file and we have to move to app.js and we have to import this. So basically you are importing this file, this export CSV file into app.js. After that you have to copy this. So here you can use the state or anything if you want. You can use the props data or you can get the API data from here. So here I am creating a data structure array. You can give whatever properties you want, and I am giving property called ID and name. You can give any 100 number of properties you want based on your requirement. So we have to give whatever you want to export here, CSV data, and you have to give the file name. So file name equal to export or so I am giving this file name, and you have to copy this and paste here. So based on that it will move to that export CSV file and it will go here and it will save here. So once this is done, you have to run your application by using npm start. So basically you will be getting the button in this app.js. So once we click on this button, you will be exporting the data into Excel file. So let's wait until it gets compiled and run. So you can see here our application got compiled successfully. Now let's verify whether it's working or not by opening our browser. So once I refresh this, you will be able to see the export button here. So based on your requirement, if you have the table data, you can show here, and you can show this export button above this table, and once we click on that, we will be able to export the table data. So once I click on that, you should see this one. So you can see this, whatever the name we have given, you will be able to see here, and I am saving this, and in the file system it has to show that file with the Excel SX. So I'm going to see here with the technical adapter. So once I click on that, you should be able to see the Excel file with the data what we have given here. So you can see here IDs and names. So based on your requirement, you can give n number of properties and n number of fields here. So this is all about exporting the data to Excel. So this is the data what you can see here, and you are viewing the same here. So this is all about exporting data into Excel file with React. So this is the end of this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more React tutorials.